Mercedes-Benz Actros, installation, locations, and functions of individual components of the Electro-Hydraulic Auxiliary Steering System, or EHZ. Remove the electronic control unit in the E-compartment on the passenger side. Check that cables are properly connected and installed. The steering angle sensors of the trailing and front axles are fastened on the left wheel side, on the kingpin. They sense the actual wheel angle and supply this information to the control unit. Steering is done by the steering cylinder, which is actuated by the hydraulic control block. The steering cylinder is installed at the trailing axle towards the front of the vehicle. The hydraulic control block and the pressure reservoir are located on the crossmember above the rear axle. The hydraulic control block actuates the steering cylinder to steer the trailing axle. The pressure reservoir is responsible for centering the trailing axle. The flow control is located at the steering gear. It divides the oil flow from the power steering pump for the primary and secondary steering circuits. A defective component in the 𝙤𝙘𝙧𝙘𝙚 system is reported by the electronics as a fault. The system is automatically shut down by centering the trailing axle. Select Control Unit Direct Access on the STAR Diagnosis System Recognition page, then confirm with F3. Enter kilometer reading, confirm with F2. Select the 𝙤𝙘𝙧𝙘𝙧 system, confirm with F3. In the 𝙤𝙘𝙧 menu, select Current Fault Codes, confirm with F3. The faults will be displayed. In the example, the steering angle sensor is defective. Press F3 to view explanations of possible causes. A section of the electronic wiring diagram will be shown. Pressing F1 twice returns you to the main menu. By pressing F3, you can display any fault codes stored in memory.